Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to see Indian and international number system, that is a numeration. All we all know that there are the two types of numerations, that is one type of Indian system and another type of international system. The Indian system numeration is used in only in India. The international system numeration is used in all the world with India. So let us see what is the numbers. The numbers are a set of standard symbols, numerals that represent the quantities. The numbers are called as a standard symbols. We can say here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are the digits. This called as the numbers. What is the numerals? Here the numerals are a single digit or a group of digits representing a number is called as a numeral. For example, if you take number 5, that is one type of digit. It is called as a numeral, FIVE. It is a numeral. And if you take 25, 25, 25, this is also one type of a numeral. Next we'll see what is the numeration. Numeration is writing number in a words. It's called as a numeration. Simply we can say writing number names. If you written the number name, it's called as a numeration. Suppose 7, SAVEN, 7. This is a numeration because this is a number name. Hence, first we'll see there are the two types of number system, as I told you before. There is one Indian system and international system of enumeration. In the Indian system of enumeration, there are some periods and places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, so on. These what are the number system periods are in the Indian number system. So what about the international numerations we have? Let us see the international numeration. International system of enumeration. In this international system of enumeration, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and so on. Yes, 100,000s, not a lakh here, 100,000s. Let us see the chart, student. This is the Indian numeral system. In this Indian numeral system, there are the first 3 digits, then after 2, then after 2, then after 2. First there are the ones period, ones, tens, 100, then thousands periods, thousands and 10,000s. In the lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs. In the crore period, crores and 10 crore. But in the international numeral system, it is something different than the Indian system. So in the ones period, as usual, ones, tens, 100, but in the thousands periods, there are 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, not a lakh here, students. The lakh consists in the Indian system here third, but not in a international system. Here instead of lakh, 100,000s, instead of 10 lakhs, million, crore, 10 million, 10 crore, 100 million. It means that in the international number system there are the 3 periods, ones, thousands and millions. In the ones period, ones, tens and 100. In the thousands period, thousands, 10,000 and 100,000s. In the millions, million, 10 millions and 100 millions. Let us see the Indian number system example. We have a 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 5, 2, 4. We'll give the commas here now. Let us see the commas. From right side, I have given the comma after the before the 3 digits, like 4, 2, 3. I'll show you. Here after this 4, 2, 3, I have given 1 comma. Then after 2 digits, I have given 1 comma. Then after 2 digits, and so on in the Indian system. But in the international system, I have given here first 3 numbers, after that comma, and after 3 numbers, then after the comma, and so on it will go. Let us see the 8-digit numbers as usual. However, the numbers we have taken in the Indian or international system, after first 3 digits, after there will be the comma. Either it will be Indian or it will be international. But from second comma onwards, in the Indian system there will be 2 digits, and in the international system there will be the 3 digits. Let us see the international systems here. In the international system, there will be the first 3 digits. Here also first 3 digits. But in Indian system there are after 2 digits 1 comma is there, and here after 3 digit another comma is there, and so on. So I hope students you are getting reading the number. It means that the numeration, the smallest 8 digit number is 1 crore. 1 crore, yeah, I'm reading correct. 1 crore, this is what 1 crore in the Indian system. And in the greatest 8 digit number is 9 crore. So greatest 8 digit number is 9 crore 99,99,999. But in the international system there will be the something different numeration is there, that is a 10 million, smallest 8 digit number. It is a 10 million. Yeah, you can see here, I cannot place the mark, sorry, but you can see here in the smallest 8 digit number in Indian system 3 comma 2 digit comma 2 digit, but in the international system first 3 digit comma after 3 digit after 2 digit. It means that 10 million, we can read the 1 crore as a 10 million, and 9 crore we can read 99,999,999. Yes students, you are listening correct and you are getting so. Yes, in smallest 8 digit number in Indian system it will be 1 crore, but in international system it is with 10 million. Greatest 8 digit number in the Indian system it is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999, but in international system 99,999,999. I hope students you are getting. Let us see the practice. Indian and international place value chart. Write the following Indian and international place value chart. So we have your practice page 1, question number 1, 2 and 3. Yes, it's good, I think so. Yeah, it's better. Practice page 1, practice page 2 and practice page 3. I have given you these 3 practice pages. I hope you are completing my practice and keep touch in the studies. Students, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.